Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu reports Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to me, if wealth from Bahrain comes, I will give you such and such, such and such, such and such. But the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away before the goods came. When the goods from Bahrain came, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu got it publicly announced. Whosoever has a debt claim against Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam or was promised by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam of anything should come to us. I visited him and told him that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had told me so and so. He then gave me 3 handfuls. Sufyan the reporter joining his palm said that in this way. Ibn Munkadir said that Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu said, first time I went to Hazrat Abu Bakr and asked him to give, but he did not give me anything. Then I went a second time, but he did not grant me anything. Then I went there a third time and said, I asked you first time, but you did not give anything. Second time I asked, but again you did not give anything. Now I have requested for a third time, but you still have not given anything. Tell me please, do you have any intention to grant, or you are resorting to niggardliness? He said, you have said that I am restoring to niggardliness regarding you, whereas I did not refuse even a single time, and I want to give you the goods. Sufyan, Amr, Muhammad bin Ali, Hazrat Jabir report, Hazrat Abu Bakr gave a handful of coins and said, count them. He counted and they were 500. He again said, take the same amount twice. Ibn Munkadir says, which disease is more perilous than niggardliness? Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3137.